Hey y'all, so we are at Milk and Honey, as you can see, and we're about to go to breakfast, well, brunch now, because it's like, what time is it? Like 12:30, almost 1 o'clock. My mama was so mad at us because it was taking so long, but we're finally here, and we're gonna go to breakfast, brunch, lunch, whatever you want to call it, if they let us in. Show y'all.
Alright, it's gonna be for 4 it's gonna be about 45 minutes.
Ooh.
To an hour.
Ooh.
Yes, it'll be all included in the
She finna cuss me out. Mom.
I called them.
We should go get smoothie. We'll take a smoothie bar.
You wanna go get smoothie?
Yeah, we're gonna go get smoothie. Smoothie place right there. I want smoothie. I'm hungry. You know you my baby. You know you my twin. If they disrespect you, then it's coming to me. Yeah, I need to charge this. It's about to die. You see that? It was charging in the car. I don't know. Very content creator of me, I know.
What's the plate number?
Say hi.
Hi guys, we're at Milk and Honey, and Ehren's mom is here to visit us.
Yeah.
Yeah, they said a 45-minute wait.
I want to go get a smoothie from next door. You coming?
You a big bag. She big bag, y'all. She's big bag.
How I'm big bag? I gotta wait an hour.
Where the bathroom at? Yeah.
It's like that way.
This way?
I think it's somewhere that way. It's not that way. I think it's right here. Hold on, y'all. They got me doing so much. Y'all, so we finally are at the table. I had got me a little snack while we waited. This smoothie was good, y'all. I finished it. But I don't know what I'm about to eat. Look at this martini my mama got. Okay, lady, hold on. Look at it. It's espresso. Okay, you can drink it. Look at it, snatch it. Ugh. I must get a bacon, egg, and cheese, but it comes on sourdough or a biscuit, so I'm gonna get it on a bagel, and then I'm gonna tell them add cream cheese. Yeah. Y'all, look, I just posted. I can't even see. Y'all see that? A little bit. I just posted that on my photography page. Where'd you go like it? I just posted that. Huh? I'm being bullied? Yeah. I told her to go like my picture. Okay, y'all, food is here. Food is here.
They ain't got no flavor to the thing.
Okay, the avocado toast looks real good. Then me show them.
It don't look good, y'all. They got no sauce in it.
She ain't got no sauce on her food.
It is lettuce and chicken.
Dad, do you got cheese?
No, I took the cheese off. This is like a sandwich.
The storage cleared on my phone. And let me show y'all what I just did. What? No, it's like my actual phone, not my iCloud. No, it's like, you know when you get a phone, you be like, I get a 128 gigabyte phone. You can upgrade. You gonna have to show me.
I got a family thing. We got
Which I was. I uploaded. You can't even see. Okay, anyways, I uploaded a reel on my Instagram, and then I showed y'all I uploaded my picture on my photography page. I'm just up here posting content. That's fine, go ahead. Somebody just messaged me, they kind of book a shoot. I was wondering how much you charge for sushi. I'm going for some biggest shot.
I don't know how to eat it. It's inedible.
Okay, y'all, let me eat my food. I'm about to eat mine. Can you hand me the ketchup? Yeah. Pass me the salt, honey, with the pepper. Thank you so much. Y'all, when I was in New York, I was taught to put ketchup on my bacon, egg, and cheese. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It was good. Did you just tell my friend to get hit?
She no, cause she walked right in the mad. She just mad because she got some bacon and she talking about the big bacon. You want to eat a piece right now?
After we was just talking about we going on a diet and changing our ways. Y'all, we just got up from the table from eating. She ready.
She full.
She ready to eat that snack.
I've been a healthy advocate. If I wasn't injured with me, we would definitely still be in the gym.
Yeah, we finna go back to the house and change, and then we going to the basketball game. I know I'm coming. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all once we change. So, I put on this shirt. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's too small. It's an extra small, but I didn't know when I bought it because it was on sale. So you can, I'm just grabbing stuff. This shirt about. I mean, I got it on. Let me see. I'll show you. Like, you feel me? It's on. Do it look too little? I don't know. It's kind of in the armpits. But I might just wear it for today and it'd be a little one-time wear type of thing. Because... Room full of liquor and they dive in it. Is it a room or pool? A pool full of liquor. It's a pool. I need to be charging my phone. Y'all, this phone about dead. Everything about dead. How am I charging now? There we go. But yeah, y'all, the game started at 3. It's 3:40 and we're still at the house. Y'all ready? Ma, can you trade me shoes? Basketball game? At school. Y'all, we be so late. We be so late. Like, so late. So late. Like, why are we... The game started at 3. We're leaving at... We're not going to get there till like 4 something. We're going to get there for just a little bit. Nobody loves me like you do. Nobody loves. Where Bree? Oh, there she go. She mad at us. She mad at us because we was talking about how she did all that to want to go change her outfit just to put on another sweatsuit. So she got attitude with us. But y'all, we finally here. This is my school, you know, TSU or whatever. We walking up in there for the basketball game. We're so late though. The game started at 3. It's...
I really want to know, where did you get your height from? Because your brother's not tall.
Everybody's little but me.
Her auntie tall.
Like my auntie, yeah, my dad's sister. No, my daddy's like 5'10".
He ain't tall either.
No, I don't know. I be wondering the same thing. Like, why did it have to go to me and not my brother?
Your brother.
Like, what? He's short and thick.
Come on, my son.
All that booty.
His booty big and it sit up
I
high.
used to tell. His booty
His booty sit up high.
right here. Oh, they back.
Yes, y'all. My mama, look at her. She 5'2". 5'2" with some attitude. My daddy 5'10". My brother, he's my height. And then there's me. I don't know. I don't think I'm taller than him, but I don't know. It just depends on the day, honestly.
Taller than your brother?
Yeah, I think we're the same height though. But it just depends on the day and the shoe. Yeah. So they just told us that my mama purse can't go in and my camera can't go in. So go all the way back to the car, put all this stuff up. We got my job. We already late. We ain't gonna get none of the game. But whatever, I guess. And then we can't even go in through that door. We gotta go all the way around to the student entrance. That's annoying. But it's okay, I guess. Whatever. I mean, ain't got no choice but to be okay. So we're back in the house now from the game. It's like 6:30, 7 o'clock now. We're trying to debate on if we're going out tonight. Trying to debate on if we're going out tonight. Mom, you all in the back of my vlog. We're trying to debate on if we're going out tonight. We don't really know. Yeah, we just here right now. I don't know. I need to do some homework. Yeah, I need to do some homework. Am I going to do some homework? Don't know. Might save that for tomorrow. Well, we'll see. Yeah. Alright. I'll get back to y'all when we decide if we're doing something or if the day just gets interesting. Or if it doesn't, this might be the end of the vlog. We'll see. I really don't know. Call y'all back later. Maybe. Bye.